Welcome to Avalon Garden. My name is Violet. This is an half an acre woodland garden and we've been here 10 years now. These are our chickens. Hello girls. Perched orientalis is one of my favourite woodland plants. I love these spotty dotties. I'm just potting up the dahlias now that I received through the post a few days ago. Unfortunately, because of what's happening, there won't be any local show for me to show them off in, but the garden still needs to look beautiful for ourselves. So here it goes, and I'll put a label in and a bit more dirt to cover it around, and there you go, dahlia ready. These are the dahlias I planted out last month. I'm not quite sure if there's going to be a show in September, but these little beauties are going out next week. I planted these tomatoes from seeds back in February. This is our brassica bed. We have got cabbages, calabri, and because I love companion planting, I'm planting some chard over here as well. So early in the year we planted the seeds for this, and I've now taken them off the nursery bed and I'm just going to plant this. So put it deep in and then some soil around. I'll water these a bit later on and they should be okay. Thank you for visiting Avalon and see you next time.